My name is Elisa Volpi and I'm assistant professor of political science here at Franklin University, and I'm representing the major in political science. I used to say that politics is everywhere, and I think therefore that there is no best measure to grasp that and to understand exactly what politics means and the partners of behavior of different actors and how therefore they affect the reality we live in. So political science is, I would say, at the core is the study of power, which is a scarce resource, and the fights about getting power, getting this influence. We also especially study, of course, political parties. We study institutions like parliaments, governments, presidents, the interactions also between states. That is more the domain of international relations. The main learning points of studying political science, I think, is this ability of analyzing the reality in which you are embedded as a citizen, not just as a student, and also the ability of criticizing, having a critical view of that reality. The other advantage of studying political science is also understanding your own behavior as a citizen. For instance, a huge part of political science concerns voting behavior. So understanding why you make certain choices and how you make them. And so again, going back to connecting theory to practice, you can also see in practice for yourself, no? What are the patterns that lead you to certain political choices. In terms of academic travel, I think the advantage, especially for a program in political science, is to get to know how the political reality in other countries looks like. So the majority of our students usually have the experience of their own home country, then they start to get used to Switzerland as a second home, but then having the opportunity of showing them how the concept that we have discussed in class have declined in the reality of another country is an enormous advantage. Coming to Franklin, I think, gives one big advantage to our students. It's the possibility of being constantly in contact with their teachers, with their professors. The opportunity to learn also in a different way from your teacher, I think it's definitely the big plus.